They say comfort and serenity and peace is the most important thing when you're procuring a house. Welcome to Kajiado County. This is our 3-bedroom bungalow, 1 bedroom ensuite and 2 bedrooms sharing. Of course, it is courtesy of Material Constructions, which is your #1 precast construction agency and steel fabricators. So follow me and let's see what is currently happening. So right here, we have our entrance porch over here that has 2 entry points. We have the ramp, most especially made for the elderly or the disabled, and right here we have nicely done staircases that we are going to be installing ceramic tiles to make the entire space beautiful. And then over here, this is our entrance porch, so if you have guests coming on board, they can usually relax over here before even entering the house, and maybe you can have your hot cup of tea while you're relaxing right there. Then we go into our sitting room area. We have already done our 1-level gypsum ceiling, and this is according to the client's choice. We have also casted our precast panels, and right here we have also done our wiring, which is preparing us to do the electrical works. Right here we have 1 big window to allow a lot of light to come in and ventilation, and it also increases the aesthetics of the sitting room area by making it even look more beautiful and more bigger. Then we go into our dining space, which is just spacious. So this is where we're going to be setting our dining table and dining seats. Then we're going to be putting 1 window here that is also going to help us during the day to have a lot of light while we are having our meals. Then we are graced by an open kitchen right here. This open kitchen, we've already casted our workspaces with precast panels, and what is remaining is the finishes, and it will be highly dependent on the client's taste and preference on the kind of finishes that we're going to be doing. Most probably we're going to be putting ceramic tiles on top, or even finish with granite. Then we're going to be setting our upper cabinets up here, then our bottom cabinets on these spaces that you see here. Then right here with this socketry space, we're going to be setting our 4-burner cooker here, and then right here will be the fridge space, and that's why we have this socketry space. On this other side of the house, this is where we're going to dig or install our sink and our tap to ensure that we have ample cleaning space for our utensils, with a very nicely done window there to give us a very clear view of the entire vicinity of the house. Then we have our pantry space here. Most clients are like, how am I going to store my things? We have a space here that we're going to be setting our cabinets to help us in the storage and organization of our kitchen stuff. Then hapa nje tuko na a back porch. So when you're working in the kitchen space, you have space to relax also, or even when you have extra things in the kitchen, you can have a space for storage, either your makas or your warus mkiletewa kutoka ushago ama mandizi huko Kisii. Then we have 3 bedroom spaces, and this is our bedroom #1, also work in progress, big and spacious for the person who's going to be here. And we have a big window here that gives us a very nice view of the entire space of the house. Then everything is work in progress probably, and we have done our 1 gypsum ceiling and casted our precast panels. And then right here is where we're going to be setting our wardrobe for the clothes. Then on this space, that room is not ensuite, so it's going to be using this shower space, so we're going to be setting our showers here, also highly dependent on the client's choice. And then we have our toilet space or our bathroom space, and that's why we have this floor trap to help us in setting our toilet bowl. And then we're going to be having our wash hand basin here for this particular space. So that room and this room, which is bedroom #2, are not ensuite, and they're going to be sharing those 2 bathroom spaces that you've seen there. So this is bedroom #2, also work in progress, not so much to say, a very big window to increase the aesthetics of the house. And then we have a space where we're going to be setting up our wardrobes for the organization of our clothes. Then into the final room, which is the master bedroom. It's very big and spacious. means that it can accommodate 2 to 3 beds, but also work in progress. We have also done our electrical works, and right here we have a walk-in closet, which is different from the other 2 rooms. It's a bit spacious, so according to the client's choice also, we are going to be seeing how we're going to be setting our wardrobes up. And then finally we have the bathroom space for the master bedroom with one small window to, you know, increase just the aesthetics of the space. So for more updates on this particular project in Kajiado County, please follow us at Precast Constructions on all our social media handles, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, and drop us a comment and let's start discussing how we're going to build that dream home for you. Thank you.